Hey, what's up? This is Daria from Wil.Daria.com, and I'm going to show you how you can make really cool, quick, sexy sales pages for any product that you want to promote. You don't need to know any HTML. You don't have to be a computer whiz, computer guru. Is really super simple. So I'm going to get started by glossing over these tabs, and I'm going to hit the one that says websites. Scroll down to create sales pages, and then it's going to take me to a template. There's a few templates here that you can use, but I'm going to use the newest one, which is here, this one right here. So looking at this is basically what your sales page is going to look like, and I can click view so that you can see it even better. So your video will go in the center, you'll have your header at the top, your headline, and your tabs or your buttons on the bottom, and basically that's it. Done. Stick a fork in it. So let's get busy. I'm going to show you how to edit this and make it yours. So the first thing you're going to do is put your title. So my title is MLSP Mastery Daria. Okay, and I'm going to update the title, and this is a template of the page already. So the first thing I want to do is click my header, edit my header. So another page opens up, and then it gives you an option of choosing from a few different headers. So as you can see, I put in some headers here, but you can use some that's here, or you can load your own. So I'm going to use my own, and then now I'm going to put my headline, and I will highlight this and then type my headline. Okay, what a life changing figure income, ... discover the exact 3 steps that every huge internet marketer must take. Okay, so that's my headline. I'm going to now with this, it gives you an opportunity to edit it the way you want. I want to censor it, right? Change the color. Red works really well. You can even change the font. Let's see which font I like. Let's see what that looks like. Let me see if I can bring it down more. Let's see, can I click on that? Alright, I like that. And you can also make it bigger if you like. So let's see what 18 looks like. I think that looks pretty cool. Something about that. I don't know. Let's see. You can always go back and edit it. Alright, so there's my my title. Click OK. And as you can see, this spot is holding for the video. Alright, so we already went from we edited the title, we edited the top. Now it's time to do the bottom. Alright, so you have a few options here. You don't have to have anything appear under the video. You can also choose to have content shown under the video with no delay, or you can have content shown under the video after a certain amount of time, and you can set the minutes and the seconds. So I'm going to choose, I want content to show up under my video, and then we scroll down, and I don't want any verbiage at this time, so I'm going to take that out, and if there's nothing here, nothing will show up. But I do want buttons. Now there's 3 options. You can put anywhere from 1 to 3 buttons. At the bottom, I just want 1. So the text on my button is going to say, I want the 3 steps. Okay, and then once they click on this, I want it to go to a specific site. So I'm going to go get my link, which will be here, and copy that, and then bring it back to where I was. Right, put my link in there, and then I just make sure that I save my changes. Okay, so now we're on the screen, the section where you can change your background. Now, a lot of people that are familiar with codes, they can put the code in there, the color code, or you can just use the color wheel to pretty much set the color that you like. And once you set the color here, then you can go in here and pretty much get it the way you want. Alright, and then once you're done, you can save it, or you can have this white, it's your preference. So now it's time to go and put our video in. I'm going to grab a video from another site, which will be YouTube, so I will click that, save the changes, and now it's giving me the option to go to YouTube, to my video, and put in my embed code. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here's the embed code that I'm going to grab, and then I will put that back in here, and I will start automatically as soon as the sales page is in view. I have it set so the video will play automatically. You don't have to press it. Okay, so now we are ready to preview the page. So let's preview it. All right, and you go through, you do the check, and then the link is at the bottom. And voila, here is a nice, sexy lead capture page, sales page. There it is. And then we can test it to make sure it goes where you want it to go, and if it doesn't, you can always go back and edit it. Yes, it's going where I want it to go, and my page is done. And that took less than 10 minutes. So if you want to know more on how to create more sexy, easy, simple sales pages, just click the link below this video, and you'll have total access to the system that I'm currently using and enjoying. So this is Daria signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.